Another manufacturer has fallen at the altar of the SUV. This is Alfa's first SUV in its history, and it comes at a time when SUV sales are rocketing and the company could do with a success story. Over €1 billion has been spent developing the new Giorgio platform that underpins the Giulia, Stelvio and a massive future RWD/4WD Alfas and Masertis. This is crunch time, no excuses. If it's to prop up the company, the Stelvio needs to be not just a great Alfa, but great full stop. There's something odd going on here. I've done 2 laps of it on foot now, sat in both front seats, twiddled every knob, stretched out on the rear bench and poked around in the boot. But it's no good. I can't find any glaring compromises, no loose interior trim, no packaging compromises or electronic glitches. The only obvious Alfaness is the exterior design, a gratuitous collection of curves and bulges, narrowed LED eyes and appealing proportions. Personally, I find it a little thick set from the front 3/4 angle, better from the rear, but it is, by and large, an attractive thing and, for some reason, unmistakably Italian. Perhaps it's the red paint. That the cooking version you see here loses little in transition from the chunkier 503 bhp Quadrifoglio version we saw at the end of last year, and drive-in this summer, speaks volumes about its volumes. You sit 190mm further up from the road than the Alfa Romeo Giulia, and Alfa's Q4 all-wheel drive system, rear drive in normal conditions, up to 50% power hundreds in low grip conditions, is standard in all versions at launch, and entry-level rear drive only version will follow later this year. This is very much an SUV designed to tackle roads, perhaps a gravel driveway at a